front.
Okay.
Okay. Dude, Braden, I'm loving this beach trip, mate, but that sun is getting a little bit too spicy for
Yeah,
me,
man, it's bright as. That's why we have things like awnings and stuff, mate, we can go to. So it's,
That's probably explains why we've got a couple of cars here.
yeah, we've got a few.
Bunch of awnings, man. I can see what we've got. A couple of pull-out awnings, a couple of 270s. There's a 180 over there. Man, let's go check out the pull-outs first,
Let's
eh?
start there.
Oh, Braden, we've got a pull-out here, mate. So what can you tell me about this awning?
Yeah, mate, so pull-out awnings are going to be your most simple type of awning. Basically fits any sort of vehicle, any sort of rack. Comes with two L brackets which bolts to it. You can have them going up or down depending on the height you may need. And they're probably the lightest ones you can go to, mate.
Yeah, you're pretty safe with your just simple pull-out awnings, isn't it? Because it'll fit pretty much bars, racks, whatever brand, it'll basically work.
Yeah, go on the cab of the car, your canopy, you know, all that sort of stuff. So pretty straightforward.
Yeah. And being the lighter ones, you generally don't have any issues when it comes to weight, do you? Because
mate,
they kind of max out at around the 10 kilo mark, so it's not going to be a huge impact on your load rating on your roof. So
nah, mate, not at all. They're really straightforward, really light, and you know, always easy to use.
Yeah. Oh man, let's go check out this other pull-out awning we've got, because it's a little bit more fancy, isn't it?
It is, mate, yeah.
Right, so this guy here is a little bit more premium kind of pull-out awning, I guess, because you've got inbuilt lights. It's quick opening from it, because this is mounted on your car. You've been playing with this all weekend.
I have been playing with it all weekend. It's a quick opening. It's got your built-in lights, which is cool. As you can see though, we do have poles, but it is actually a freestanding awning. Bit of a high wind right now, so I thought we'd put poles in, tie it down.
Good plan, good plan.
Keep it safe.
I mean, we had it freestanding this morning, and it was similar winds to this. It had no dramas.
It was holding it well, but you know, if we're walking away from the car, we just want to make sure it's nice and safe, tie it down.
Yeah,
but,
peace of mind's an amazing thing. That's right. Anyway, let's go check out the 180s now, man.
The 180? Oh, here you go, Matt. This is the 180 we got here, mate.
Yeah, nice. Man, there's so much more like coverage than just a simple pull-out, isn't it?
Oh, much bigger. Works really well if you've got a ute like this one here. So you want to cover as much as possible. You know, packs up nice and neat like a small pull-out.
Yeah, these kind of are like your best, most universal other than your pull-out, isn't it? Because your 180, that can go on the side of a ute like we've got here. It'll still do an SUV, it'll do a sedan. You're not going to have any dramas like on a 270 kind of wrapping around over the tub.
No, mate, not at all. It works really well for the coverage. And if you do, like, say you got an SUV like we had before, you can even put one of these on the back to cover the back of the car, mate, you know, so it works really well.
Right.
Some of the ones, as you can see right here, we got ones that are built-in lights, mate, so that's even better. Like, you know, nothing more than having to put your own lights in your awning, open this up, plug it in.
You know, these are a great awning. It's also a freestanding as well, but same as the previous awning. We've just got them all tied down at the moment because we are on the beach on Yarra Island and it is pretty windy. I mean, there's some guys next to us flying their kites, just for example, so definitely, if it is good enough to fly a kite, it's probably a good idea to tie your awning down.
Most definitely, mate.
All right, so that's pretty much your 180s. There's not a huge difference like between your pull-out and your 180 other than just the coverage.
Yep.
Let's go look at the heavyweights. Let's check out those 270s.
270s, let's go have a look.
All right, the 270s.
270s, man.
What can you tell me about 270s, Braden?
So 270s are good if you want to maximize the actual overall coverage you got for your car. They're a little bit heavier than the other awnings we've already looked at. So you may need to, you know, double check your rack you've got and maybe the extra load rating. This one here is one of your entry-level freestanding, so it's a bit heavier, and you maybe just need to make sure you got that correct load rating, mate.
Yeah, there's no lights built in on this one either, I've noticed as well.
No,
so
there's not, but it's still a good awning, gives you maximum coverage, does offer that freestanding bit, but as again, windy days, put poles, put the ropes on, always make sure you double check that stuff.
Yeah, this one's definitely, it's trying to run away on us right now, so I'm glad we've got it tied down. Let's go check out this other 270 we've got.
Let's go, mate,
He's got a few extra little features on this one. So this 270 that we've got mounted up here, he's got inbuilt lights. These poles are not quick pop out as well. So
that's right, quick release poles. So when you want to keep it that freestanding, it's not going to, you know, be difficult to remove the poles.
Yeah, and these will do both white and amber, and they're dimmable. So
there you go, keep the bugs away.
We've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 separate lights, no cables in your way. You can take all the poles out if the wind's down. They're phenomenal. And we've got, so this is mounted to a dual cab as well.
It is.
Normally not the best idea, but because we've got it mounted to the tub racks, it's actually wrapping around the back of the tub, which makes it awesome because I've got the tent coming off the other side.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are 270s are just great for coverage.
This is also your bigger version, Matt, because as you can see, this one here actually folds forward as well. So it covers the side of the vehicle.
Extra little piece that comes out here just to cover this. So yeah, that's great if I want to just get something out of the passenger side of my car or something and it's pouring down with rain.
Mate. That's right.
Okay, so what's some other things I need to be considering for going for an awning, man? Like what's someone who doesn't know anything about awnings, what do they need to be doing?
Well, mate, you've got to find what awning you want first, right? So if you want a 270, pick the right one that suits you best. So if, for instance, you want to go to the big boy here, it weighs a bit, but you got a ute. So going the tub racks like we've done is actually the best option for you, rather than going on the cab, because you'll wrap around the tub there, sorry, and you're actually going to waste a lot of that shade that you got.
Yeah, absolutely.
Another thing to consider, mate, is actually how it attaches to the rack system that you've got.
Yeah, well, I know the 270 that we were just looking at before that's on your car, we actually had to change that hardware over to suit your particular platform.
That's
we couldn't
right.
use what came out of the box.
Yeah, so on my platform now, I've got the wedge tail rack. We had to buy their brackets to suit the awning, which gives the great ability to put any awning we wanted on there.
Yeah. And I guess the other thing is, if you already have racks or a platform, or you don't even have those yet, and you're not sure which one will work with your car, if you've just got questions, any one of our roof rack stores around Australia can answer them. They can fit all the products for you, and even our online chat team as well. So go down store, jump on the website. The guys will help you out with any of your questions you've got, awning related, roof rack related, everything we sell. They'll help you out, they'll get you the right products. A few accessories you can get for your awnings though. You've got quick release brackets, brands like Rack Spracks that we stock actually make a quick release bracket so you can pull your awning straight off the side and store it so you don't have to leave it on the car all the time.
You can actually mount that to your wall. Did you know that, Matt?
That is
true.
They
do a wall mount, so at
yeah.
home you can mount it on the wall, keep it off the ground. Makes it really handy.
Yeah, so I guess the most important things is what car are you putting it on, what size awning do you really want to go with, and how's it going to mount? Has it got the right brackets out of the box? Do you need to change the brackets or hardware? And then just go have some fun.
That's it. Enjoy the sun, keep protected. It's what you want.
Yeah, well, I hope you found this educational and informative. If you do have any questions regarding awnings, how they mount your car, roof racks, anything, come down to any one of our Roof Racks Galore stores around Australia, jump on the website, ask our online chat team, we'll answer any of your questions, and all of our stores fit our products in store as well. So you don't even have to worry about finding someone to fit it for you. So we'll see you on the next episode.
Later.